Hello everyone, welcome to Mathemafia. Today we'll be discussing what are different trigonometric ratios. Today we'll be discussing what are different trigonometric ratios, that are sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant and cotangent. I know a lot of you might be finding it a bit confusing, but these are nothing but ratios of different sides of triangles that we will discuss right now, right? So first of all, let us understand what are different sides of a right angle triangle. Consider a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle will have one right angle. So the longest side of the triangle, which would be opposite to the right angle, would be called its hypotenuse, while the other two sides would be called the base and the perpendicular. Now, which one is base and which one is perpendicular? First, we'll try to understand that. That would depend on the angle that we are talking about. For example, we are talking about point A in this triangle. For this, the side opposite to angle A, which is BC, would be called the perpendicular, and the side adjacent to this angle A would be called the base. So now we know which side is base, which side is perpendicular, and which side is the hypotenuse of the triangle. From this, we will derive the different ratios. So sine, cos, tan, what are these? These are nothing but different ratios of these sides. We have 3 sides in total. So how many ratios can we have? 6. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse, perpendicular upon base, and then the inverse of these ratios. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular, hypotenuse upon base, and base upon perpendicular. So all these ratios that we have discussed have been given names, which is sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cotangent. So how to remember these ratios? For this we have an Indian formula, which is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. First ratio it would be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which would be sine. The second would be base upon hypotenuse, which is cos. The third is perpendicular upon base, which is tangent. So you just have to memorize these 3 ratios, and the rest of the 3 would be inverse of these 3 ratios. Cosecant, which is inverse of sine, would be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Secant, which is the inverse of cos, would be hypotenuse upon base, and cotangent, which is the inverse of tangent, would be base upon perpendicular. Also remember that these ratios would be fixed for a particular angle, and these would not vary by the length of the sides. This is only dependent upon the angle. You also need to note that sin A does not mean that we are multiplying sin and A. It is just one term, and it means sine of angle A, and its value is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. So similar goes for other ratios as well. And lastly, sine, cos, tan are the short forms for sine, cosine and tangent. Similarly, cosec, sec and cot are the short forms for cosecant, secant and cotangent. So that's it from this video. Keep watching Mathemafia.